Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to crochet these very simple granny squares. Few months later I have crocheted these granny squares with puff stitches. Link for video can you find below in the description. But today we crochet these simple granny squares. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. For this video I use the cotton yarn, but you can use any yarn and matching crochet hook. I start with the magic ring. And crochet first round, 3 chain stitches, 2 half double crochet in the ring, and 2, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the ring, chain 1, 2 half double crochet in the ring, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the ring, chain 1, 2 half double crochet in the ring, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the ring, chain 1, and last 2 double crochet in the ring, chain 1, pull yarn and close the ring, and finish round with the slip stitch. Second round, 2 chain stitches and 1 front post double crochet in this first 3 chain stitches. So now we have here 2 half double crochet but 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. We crochet 1 half double crochet in every stitch. 1, 2 and 3. In the corner we crochet 1 chain stitch, in this double crochet 1 front post double crochet, 1 double crochet here in this middle stitch, and again 1 front post double crochet below. Again 1 half double crochet in next 3 stitches, and 3, chain 1, in the corner front post double crochet, 1 double crochet in the middle, and front post double crochet, and again 1 half double crochet in next 3 stitches, in the corner the same, and I see you later. Last chain stitch, and here in this corner we crochet 1 front post double crochet, but not for this first front post double crochet, but behind this front post double crochet. And finish round with the slip stitch. Now you can pull this first yarn, and looks like this. Round 3, chain 2. We start and finish the round always in this corner. And now one front post double crochet, but in these 2 chain stitches for second round. And now of each side we have 3 half double crochet, but 4 stitches. And in this round we crochet 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in next 2 stitches, and 2 half double crochet in the last stitch. Now we have 6 half double crochet. Continue chain 1, again here in the middle 1 front post double crochet, here above 1 double crochet, and below front post double crochet, and again 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet next 2 stitches, and 2 half double crochet in the last stitch. Repeat to the end of round, and last time chain 1. We crochet always chain 1 for the corner, not after the corner, and 1 front post double crochet, but behind this first front post double crochet, and finish round with the slip stitch. Round 4, 2 chain stitches, 1 front post double crochet, and now we have 6 half double crochet, but 7 stitches. We crochet 1 half double crochet in next 7 stitches, and 7, and in the corner the same, chain 1, front post double crochet, double crochet, and front post double crochet, and again 1 half double crochet next 7 stitches. Repeat to the end of round, and finish round with the slip stitch. Round 5, chain 2, front post double crochet, and now we crochet 2 half double crochet in the first stitch and 2 half double crochet in the last stitch, and we have 10 half double crochet together, and 9 and 10. Again chain 1, in the corner the same. Round 6, chain 2, front post double crochet, 1 half double crochet in next 11 stitches, In the corner the same, and repeat to the end of round. Round 7, chain 2, front post double crochet. Now again 2 half double crochet in the first stitch and 2 half double crochet in the last stitch, and we have 14 half double crochet. In the corner the same, and repeat to the end of round. Round 8 for this video is the last round. Chain 2, front post double crochet, 1 half double crochet in next 15 stitches. In the corner the same, repeat to the end of round. Finish work with the slip stitch, cut yarn and sew yarn on the back side, and the granny square is finished. If you want, you can continue round 9, 2 half double crochet in the first stitch and in the last stitch. Round 10, 1 half double crochet in every stitches, and so forth. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time with new idea.